Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This isn't the video I was planning to put out today, but I'm gonna go ahead because I'm excited. The ski actually ran and performed awesome. Today is Wednesday. I took it out yesterday on a Tuesday and no issues at all. So not sure exactly what fixed it. I replaced the bolts back here, the 2 bolts that were missing on the pump. Definitely could have been that. I also replaced those hoses back there. That one did come off when I hooked up to the garden hose, so maybe it was loose, not sure. And I swapped this exhaust out, so it's got a stock 650 exhaust in it now, but not real sure what it was. One of those definitely fixed the issue. Motor's running awesome, it's cool, no issues at all. So I didn't get to ride it as much as I would have liked. We had a storm rolling in, so didn't get to spend a whole lot of time, but definitely got to rip around on it for a little bit, and yeah, it pulls great. Lots of power, ride plate, pump, everything. Man, it just pulls good. So really no complaints. I'm probably just going to ride it for the rest of this year. Next year I will probably, well, going into this winter, I plan to strip this thing down and repaint it, clean it up, just freshen it up. I mean, it's not in bad shape, but stickers definitely have worn. I don't know if they rubbed on something. This was all previous owner. The bottom is pretty rough as far as the paint. You guys can see the black on the side. It's got like some pink and white up underneath, so I'm not real sure with all that. Yeah, I just really want to clean it up. I may go ahead and put a cover back on it. If not, probably fill this in, take this off, and just kind of clean this up, get it all looking new again. Yeah, I mean, other than that, maybe replace the side pieces, possibly. And then I will probably, if I go that far, I will probably replace all of this again. You guys, if you've followed along, I put these on last year. The previous owner actually had these but didn't have them installed. So I'll probably replace all this and actually put the HydroTurf or Hydromat over the edges rather than the black leather, because these don't look bad, but they do tear pretty easy. I've actually already got a small one here from the lid, so yeah. But yeah, no, ski ran awesome. So super excited to finally, you know, after I think this is going on 2 years owning this ski, and all last year it didn't work, and we're already halfway through this year. So to actually get it out and it performed the way it did, man, super exciting. So plan to have some more videos of this out on the lake in the future. Still, we'll be working on the JS 550. I've got some parts coming for that. I actually had a part ordered that got delivered to the wrong place, so I'm trying to work through that. So hopefully there will be a video shortly of it kind of put back together. So like I said, I've got some parts coming. I do have a video that's supposed to come out today for it. We'll push it till Sunday, and maybe by then I'll have some parts and be able to do another one for next Wednesday. So that's kind of where we're at on the skis. But yeah, no, super excited. I'll put here at the end, or maybe in the beginning, the video I have of this out on the lake. So yeah, super excited. But anyway, if you guys like the content, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.